Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do a video now on exactly how to claim. And remember, the same rule applies to all industries, whether you do cashback on fuel, cashback on groceries, or cashback on your dining out. You follow the same rules. So you'll see I'm going to do a cashback now on groceries. As you can see that in the previous screen recording that I checked in at the store, and this same rule applies to fuel and restaurants as well, and that is just to prevent fraud. Yes, there is people that took slips out of the dustbin and claimed, and that is just to prevent that. So make sure that you check in and let at least 5 minutes lapse before you ask your slip. So I normally check in before I go to a restaurant, because after I checked in, anything from 5 minutes after I checked in to 5 hours, I'm allowed to get my slip. Okay, so we bought these few stuff just for the test, and I'm going to get my slip now and upload